Top 3 reasons why you should be blogging. If you're not blogging yet, you're missing out on a powerful marketing tool that can help you reach more customers and grow your business. Here are 3 good reasons to start blogging today. 1. Blogging helps you reach more customers. 2. Blogging helps you grow your business. 3. Blogging helps you build your brand. Benefits of blogging. 1. Blogging can help you build an audience for your business. If you own a business, then you know how important it is to have an audience. Without an audience, you cannot sell your products or services. One way to build an audience for your business is by starting a blog. A blog is a website where you write articles about topics that are related to your business. For example, if you own a pet store, you could write a blog about pet care tips. By writing interesting and informative articles, you will attract readers to your blog. These readers may then become customers of your business. 2. Blogging can help you connect with other people. Blogging is not only a great way to promote your business, but it is also a great way to connect with other people. When you write a blog, you can reach out to other bloggers who write about similar topics. This can help you make new friends and connections. Additionally, when you comment on other blogs, you can leave a link to your own blog. This can help generate traffic to your site and increase your readership. 3. Blogging can help improve your writing skills. If you enjoy writing, then blogging will be easy for you. How to create your blog posts. 1. How to create your blog posts. If you're wondering how to get started with blogging, one of the first things you need to do is figure out how to create blog posts. You can use a variety of different methods to create your posts, but one of the easiest ways is to use a word processing program like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Simply create a new document and start typing out your post. Once you're finished, you can save it as a draft or publish it directly to your blog. 2. What to write about. Once you've figured out how to create your blog posts, the next step is figuring out what to write about. This can be tricky, but it's important to choose topics that you're passionate about and that will be of interest to your readers. Try brainstorming a list of potential topics, and then narrow it down to the ones that you think would make the best posts. 3. How often to post. Once you've got some great content lined up, the next step is deciding how often to post. This will depend on a number of factors, including how much time you have to devote to blogging and how frequently you want your readers to see new. What's next? If you're like most people, you're always looking for what's next. What's the next big trend? What's the next best thing? Blogging can help you stay ahead of the curve. By reading and writing about the latest trends, you can stay on top of what's happening in your industry and be one of the first to know about new products, services, and developments. Blogging can also help you become a thought leader in your industry. By sharing your insights and ideas on your blog, you can show others that you know what you're talking about and that you have something valuable to say. This can help you attract more clients, speaking engagements, and other opportunities. So if you're looking for something new and exciting to do, consider starting a blog. It could be just what you need to take your career to the next level. Start a podcast. 1. Starting a podcast is a great way to get your voice out there and share your thoughts and ideas with the world. It's also a great way to connect with other like-minded people and build a community around your blog. 2. Podcasting is a great way to build an audience for your blog. If you can produce interesting and engaging content, people will start to listen to your podcast and follow your blog. 3. Podcasting is a great way to make money from your blog. You can sell advertising space on your podcast, or you can charge people to listen to your podcast. 4. Podcasting is a great way to get exposure for your blog. If you can get people to listen to your podcast, they will likely visit your blog and become regular readers. Overall, starting a podcast is a great way to improve your blog and reach a wider audience. If you're looking for ways to make money from your blog, podcasting is a great option. Share on your social media accounts. If you're active on social media, then you should definitely be blogging. By sharing your blog posts on your social media accounts, you can reach a much larger audience than you would if you just kept your blog to yourself. Plus, it's a great way to get feedback from your friends and followers. Not only will sharing your blog posts on social media help you reach a larger audience, but it can also help you build your personal brand. When people see your name attached to high-quality content, they'll start to associate you with being an expert in your field. And that can do wonders for your career. So if you're looking for a way to get more exposure for your writing, or if you want to build up your personal brand, then sharing your blog posts on social media is a great way to do it. Include your blog in your email newsletters. 1. Include your blog in your email newsletters. If you have an email newsletter, be sure to include your blog URL in the signature. This is a great way to promote your blog to your existing audience. They may not have been aware of your blog before, but if they see it in your email signature, they may be more likely to check it out. 2. Use social media to promote your blog. Make sure to promote your blog on social media. This is a great way to reach new readers. Share your blog posts on Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. If you have a large following on social media, this can help increase traffic to your blog. 3. Write guest posts for other blogs. Guest posting is a great way to get exposure for your blog. Find blogs in your industry that accept guest posts and pitch them ideas for articles. If they accept your article, be sure to include a link back to your blog in the author bio section. This will help drive traffic back to your site. Overall, blogging is a great way to promote yourself and your business. Be sure to use email newsletters and social media to promote your blog, and consider guest posting on other blogs. Start blogging today. 1. Starting a blog is easy and anyone can do it. 2. You don't need to be an expert on a topic to start blogging about it. 3. Blogging is a great way to share your thoughts and ideas with the world. 4. You can use your blog to connect with like-minded people. 5. Blogging can help you improve your writing skills. 6. You can make money from your blog by selling advertising or selling products and services. Now that you are fully aware of the advantages of blogging, it is time for you to launch your blog. However, don't worry, we are here to assist. You can establish and grow your blog with the assistance of our team of professionals to start getting the outcomes you want. Set up a call with us right now, and let's get going.